Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you best spot to catch this Pirate Dreadfin fish in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This Pirate Dreadfin is one of the fish from the Pirate Cove update, and this is an epic fish. And I'm going to show you where I catched this fish. I catched this fish right here guys. You can go to this fishing spot and just fish here. And wait, let me show you the index. Okay, I forgot to tell you something. First thing first, of course, you need to go to the Pirate Cove Island. And then you can just fish here basically. And wait, let me show you the Pirate Dreadfin. Okay, this is an epic fish. You can also catch this fish from the pirate treasure room. Wait. Okay, you can also catch here. And if you want to unlock the pirate treasure room, I've already made a video and you can watch it in my previous tutorial video. Okay guys, and that's all about the Pirate Dreadfin fish in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!